Okay, let's start with the unboxing of new Digitek DW116 that comes from the Amazon. So if you can see, it's come in a thin envelope. I'm tearing from outside and see what's inside. Here is a carton wrapped box. So let's tear it from outside and check what's inside. So I have cut it from outside, and you can see this is a Digitek 2-in-1 wireless microphone system. It's packed and it's invoice. So let's keep them aside and start cutting. So I will cut from upper side and try to tear the thin layer of plastic. Unwrapped box is very beautiful and very hard inside. So how it will look in, like it will look in like so. There is another seal. No, it's not any seal. You can see it's a branding of Digitek, and one side you can see the receiver function printed, and the other side of box you can see transmitter function are printed. All the instructions are given both side, and from back side all the specification are given. So let's open the box. So I'm trying to open the box. Yes, it's a plastic wrap of Digitek. Keep on side. This is a Digitek wireless mic. This is a beautiful mic, and there is a foam, a user manual, and inside this a little box. Let's open the box, and oh, okay, there's a, I think it's a USB charger. Let's check. Yes, it is a USB charger. It's a C type to lightning bolt adapter. And what's inside this? Let's open. It's a wire to connect DSLR camera to mic. It's a very useful one if you use DSLR, and this is going to help you a lot. There is a C to C adapter and two magnetic clip, and what's inside? And there is okay windshield. Windshield. It's also called dead cat. It helps reduce noise like air noise. So this is Digitek. Let's open the box, see what's inside. So it's a very beautiful box. Material is very hard and it looks premium. So quality is very premium. Is a receiver and a transmitter one, and this is a second transmitter. So basically there's three items inside the box: two transmitter and one receiver. So we will check the quality in and out, and you can also see there's a magnet to clip it on your shirt or anywhere you want to. It's a magnet. You can listen the sound. It's very beautiful sound. Yes. So it's a magnetic adhesive mic, and it's a really very small mic. You can clearly see the size. This is a 1 rupee coin, and you can compare the size of this microphone. So it's very little. It's also shorter than the 1 rupees coin. So yes, it looks very premium, and size is also very little. So we will check its quality of sound, how it's work.